Hi babe, welcome. I am quickly going to show you how to make this crisscross cornrow braid design. It is going to help you in creating any of these variations. The technique is the same. You can have either 2 lines or 3 lines, depending on if you want the braids to have one in the middle and two crossing over it. If you want just two crossing over each other, then you're going to skip this very first middle braid we are going to make, and then have 2 lines side by side and ignore this middle line. Basically, you start from after we have created this middle line. So to create this exact design I showed you first, we are making a section and braiding a straight part in the middle. Then we are going to make 2 equal lines on the side, share them into boxes, and then braid them in that zigzag manner. Once you watch what I am saying, you're going to get the whole gist of the braid design. So I'm just going to let you watch quickly. What can I say except you're welcome? I'm just joking, enjoy.